guys! So today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy butterscotch pudding. So to start off, you're going to need 1/2 cup of brown sugar packed, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of cornstarch. Here's where you're going to want to add 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt. I am going to be using salted butter, so I am going to leave it out. We're just going to give that a little mix just to break up the brown sugar and kind of mix in some of that cornstarch. Now we're going to add 2 cups of milk, 2 egg yolks, lightly beaten, and we're just going to want to give that a nice little stir on medium heat until it's nice and smooth. So now on medium heat, we're going to cook and stir it occasionally just until it comes to a boil. Okay, so now we're starting to get that boil. So we're going to cook it for 1 to 2 minutes or until it really starts to thicken up. And we're just going to continuously stir this. So after we've cooked it for 1 to 2 minutes or it starts to really thicken up, that's when we're going to add our 1 tablespoon of butter and 1.5 teaspoons of vanilla. And we're just going to give that a really good mix until the butter has all melted into the pudding and it somewhat looks just like this. So after all of the butter and vanilla has been incorporated into the pudding, you're just going to put it into containers, just evenly distributing them throughout all of them. Now, I do go to smaller containers, and they are generally supposed to make just a little portion. These are really big containers, so we do go to smaller containers, and we made 5 of them. So after that, you're just going to want to put it into the fridge to cool down for at least an hour. And what we did here is we didn't close the lids on them. I would suggest fully closing the lids on them because it won't get that kind of like seal here that you see. But once they've been cooled, you can just give them a stir and they're ready to be served.